The next question is from a devotee who is asking Swamiji, I heard you say that sannyas is the best lifestyle and is the need of the hour for the world. You also said that sannyas is the true freedom. I don't understand how sannyas can be freedom. Can you please explain?
If you are married, you will understand. In so many different levels, sannyas is freedom. I have a story for you guys. One American soldier was in a bunker in Afghanistan with another American whom he did not know. The first soldier said, "Why did you come to this war?" To which the second soldier replied, "I am not married and I love war, so I came here. What about you?" The other guy replied, "I am married and I love peace, that is why I am here." Listen. Listen. The alcohol does not need any marketing. Do you know in India, marketing, advertising, alcohol is banned. Any form of spirit, the alcohol, advertising is banned. Legally it is not allowed. But do you know that non-advertising, does it stop people consuming it? Understand? Just by the experience it gives, it gets, one fellow enriches other person about alcohol and gets enriched. And the whole world is drinking. At least in India, especially the whole country is drinking. They import and drink, make local arak and drink, and what all they do, sometimes mix and drink. Listen, just by the experience of the alcohol, you don't need a marketing department. People pick up the lifestyle of alcohol. I tell you, sannyas does not need separate promotion. If they see me and my sannyasis, that's enough. It will spread. Alcohol is addiction, sannyas is de-addiction. That's the only difference. Come and see my Pitadishwar training centers. Come and see my Gurukul. Sannyas is freedom even from the idea of freedom. What is real freedom? Freedom to surrender to four tattvas. Other than these four tattvas, nothing else exists in me. Is the freedom. Freedom is not simply doing what you want. It is allowing four tattvas to live through you. You see, from today, as long as I am alive, morning 7 o'clock I am going to be in Pada Puja, 8 o'clock I am going to be in Satsang. You understand? I did this for last, I think at least 3 years, and I am going to be doing for all the years I am in the body. I am going to be in the body. But I don't feel this as a bondage. You may think, oh, every day, day in and day out, I have to come out and sit and stretch my leg. And then I have to sit and talk something, entertain people for 1 hour. You can get bored with anything, understand. If you are inauthentic, even being worshipped, you can get bored. If you are authentic, even while you worship, you won't get bored. Understand? I never even feel that my commitment towards the world is a bondage. See, whether you may be here today, tomorrow somebody else will be here, but this is my lifestyle. 7 o'clock in that Garbha Mandir, 8 o'clock in this seat, I will have to continue. It is not a joke. How many of you understand? Then you know. But I do not feel it is a bondage. And not only my morning routine, whole day. Because after the inner awakening, few days only break. Then starts immediately inner awakening level 1. Then few days break, immediately then Bali inner awakening starts. Then straight Kailash Yatra. Then immediately after that, August inner awakening starts. Already my whole next year calendar is in the website. You can see. I already know what I am going to do for next 1 full year. But I don't feel it is a bondage. I don't feel it is a boring. Freedom is free from boredom, an idea of bondage and freedom. Allowing the 4 tattvas to live through you is freedom. Getting it? स्वतंत्रता के विचार से भी स्वतंत्रता ही संन्यास है। 4 तत्वों को समर्पित होने की स्वतंत्रता ही सही स्वतंत्रता है। With integrity and authenticity, tell me, even if you are worshipped by people, every day you have to come exactly on that same time to receive the worship. Pada Puja, how many of you will be really bored? See, neither I am bored nor I am going to change the time, or I am tired. I am going to continue to receive as long as I am in the body and even after I leave the body. And the morning satsang is going to happen. I will continue to speak as long as I am in the body. After that, I will have my own mechanism to speak. I am neither bored nor going to get bored. Understand? Freedom means freedom from boredom and freedom from the concept of freedom. Deciding to live with these 4 tattvas. See, decide, I am not going to have anything called my private or my own other than these four tattvas. That is freedom. That is freedom. That is freedom. Sannyas is the only way to true freedom. Please understand, I am not saying one way to true freedom. Even when it comes to Hinduism, I am not fanatic. But when it comes to sannyas, I think I am fanatic. But one nice thing, my fanaticism is established on sound knowledge and perfect experience. Sound knowledge and complete experience. In my life, I have even doubted at least once the masters whom I believed, Ramakrishna and Ramana Maharshi. These two were the masters whom I believed while I was doing my practices. They both are my scale to measure anything. What is Vairagya? I will refer only them. What is enlightenment? I will only refer them. What is tapas? I will refer them. What is spiritual practice? I will refer them. They were the scale for me to refer anything. Their words, both of them, their words are the ultimate for me. They both are the Supreme Court for me. Even I doubted both of them. But I never doubted sannyas in my life. See, there was a time I decided I will live without both of them in my life. Before my realization of my mission. Maybe I can say that some 10 hours I was in that space. Once I even thought of disowning Hinduism. In that space I was there for 3-4 hours. I felt the whole Hinduism is fake. All masters are fake. I was in such a deep depression. The last, just before the enlightenment, means that flowering, that last phase I have to walk. I have to walk alone. So that loneliness, I felt all masters are fake. Hinduism is fake. At the time I wanted to take revenge. I threw the Ramakrishna photo which I was worshipping as my very being for years. And I decided just to take revenge, I will convert from Hinduism. I doubted my masters and Hinduism. But even at that moment, I never thought I will leave the sannyas. Of course, when I realized the ultimate, I understood everyone has to pass through that phase. So my connection with sannyas is more than my connection with Vedic tradition. Even if I was planning to get converted only to Buddhism. That's the closest I can find to Hinduism. Even then, I was only planning to be a Buddhist Lama, not married, Buddhist sannyasi. I tell you, even a failed sannyasi is 1,000 times progressed than successful householder, because in the householder the responsibilities you take is a totally different direction. It is all about just enriching one family. The very scale you set for yourself is so low. It is like a mom shop, pop shop guy. His whole goal is only yearly turnover of 10,550 rupees. A sannyasi, every day turnover is 2.5 crore. So even if he fails, he will be at least 2 crore. Even if a mom shop, pop shop guy is successful, he may be 12,000 rupee. Understand, the very level in which you put your scale itself is different in sannyas. But only thing, you have to be a responsible sannyasi. Of course, only with the responsibility sannyas comes. Sannyasi is not an outfit, is an overfit. If mainstream Hindus take up sannyas again as a lifestyle, at least after 65, after 60, at least after the retirement. But of course, if you ask me, I'll say you should start the sannyas life at the age of 6. Or if not, little early. But at least after retirement. 58, after 60, if you pick up sannyas, I tell you, so much can be done to you and to the world. I commit, I'll make mainstream Hindus accept sannyas as a lifestyle by making some of the top celebrities in India in political, cine field and social field, making them take sannyas when they retire from the life. Some of the top celebrities in India, I'll see to it they take sannyas when they turn 58. And they set a trend. Any model citizen, the mainstream Hindus, should take sannyas by the time you retire. I'll make this as a lifestyle. And I wanted it to be lifestyle. Only then people will understand the different way of living. The lifestyle taught to us by the mainstream Western philosophies, life is a failure. Already it is proved. For the amount of depression, addiction, suicide, legal suicide and illegal suicide. When I say legal suicide, bringing cancer for yourself and dying. Bringing the diabetes for yourself and dying. Bringing blood pressure for yourself and dying. It's a legal suicide. You know if you do all this, you will have diabetes and blood pressure. Why are you doing that and dying? It's a legal suicide. Socially accepted suicide and unaccepted suicide. That's all. If you drink straight away poison and die within few hours, it's unaccepted suicide. If you sip little by little every day in the form of alcohol and die, it is accepted suicide. The accepted, unaccepted, suicides, addictions, depression has proved the lifestyle which you adopted as a mainstream lifestyle is a failure. I give my clarion call, O Hindus of India, O the people of Vedic tradition all over the world, wake up. I give you my call for both groups. People of Vedic tradition from all over the world and Hindus of India, wake up. Sannyas is the only solution. This is the best alternative lifestyle. Let the mainstream Hindus accept sannyas as a lifestyle like Buddhists. Only then you will understand and taste the joy of freedom and enlightenment, जीवन मुक्ति. भारत के युवा जागो, संन्यास सबसे महत्वपूर्ण और अद्भुत जीवन शैली है. I am coming. I am just preparing the ground, doing the groundwork. I will initiate at least 1,010,000,000 sannyasis with this very hand. I will make sannyas as a mainstream lifestyle. Just like Buddhism, let the sannyas become mainstream lifestyle. संन्यास स्वतंत्रता का एकमात्र मार्ग है. मेरे जीवन में मैंने अपने गुरु पर भी एक समय कुछ घंटों के लिए मेरी जीवन मुक्ति के कुछ घंटे पहले संदेह किया, किंतु उन क्षणों में भी संन्यास पर मैंने कभी संदेह नहीं किया. मेरा संन्यास के साथ संबंध मेरे वैदिक संप्रदाय के संबंध से भी अधिक शक्तिशाली है. Understand, only with sannyas you can go to the extreme of living those spiritual principles. Seeing the peak of spiritual life. I know people are frightened when I talk about sannyas. Especially they try to hide their sons and daughters away from me when I speak about sannyas. It is your inauthenticity hiding you and hiding your kids away from me. You may hide them from me during the waking hours, but I will go into their dreams. There you can't stop me. And wake them up. Oh, the youth of India, your life is going to be with me. Get ready. Elders of India, be matured enough to do the graceful exit, allowing the revolution, spiritual revolution to happen. Either allow the spiritual evolution or we may have to make revolution. मैं वचन देता हूँ, मैं संन्यास को विश्व की मुख्य धारा जीवन शैली बनाऊंगा. Yes, it is time. We paint the parliament with saffron. It is time we paint the country with kavi. It is time we take up the responsibility. We take up the responsibility of making sannyas as a mainstream lifestyle. If you are shivering when I speak about sannyas, be very clear. That is your root pattern and inauthenticity. If you are again and again looking at your son or daughter, how he is reacting, catch it, that is your root pattern. And if you are shivering, seeing the joy in the face of your son or daughter, when I speak about sannyas, better you know that nobody is going to save you. Even if you bring it to the ultimate judge, he is going to be on the side of your son and the daughter. Now it is time. It is time. Only then we can save the planet Earth. Planet Earth can be saved only by creating responsible sannyasis. Sannyasis who take the responsibility to teach these spiritual principles. समय आ गया है कि आप समय आ गया है कि हम संसद को और पूरे भारत को कावी के केसर रंग में रंग दे. It is time. Essence of today's satsang is sannyas is the life.
जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.